5 suburban school districts have filed suit over a plan that allows students to transfer out of Kansas City public schools.
While parents are planning to ask to transfer their children to other districts as soon as next week. Amy Holly has our top story.
The superintendent of independent schools says the number of parents wanting to transfer their children to his district just keeps growing.
I mean, we have hundreds, if not more, students that are interested in transferring directly to the independent school district, much less the other school districts. Kansas City has a policy which we believe is in violation of state statute.
Which means those students who want to leave the soon-to-be unaccredited Kansas City public schools may have to wait until next school year. Independence, Raytown, Blue Springs, Lee Summit, and North Kansas City districts all want a judge this week to put a halt on any parents' transfer plans next Sunday when Kansas City public schools become unaccredited. And this is good news for parents in neighboring accredited districts who say they're already dealing with their own struggles.
They're concerned the behaviors that will happen when you mix children from different school districts with different behavior expectations.
State law allows parents in a failing district to transfer to an adjoining accredited district. Accredited districts want a judge this week to determine the tuition and transportation costs Kansas City public schools must pay for each student who transfers. The districts are all in disagreement.
Kids, unfortunately, are the ones that suffer in this process. But we have a situation where the courts are involved, the legislature may be involved, politicians are involved.
He says the adults first need to get out of the way so kids can get the education they deserve. Amy Holly, NBC Action News.
Well, transfers may eventually become unnecessary. Some Missouri lawmakers are considering a proposal to break up Kansas City public schools and divvy it up to neighboring districts.